Every moment has led us to this day. Every journey that brought us to this place. We're filled with wonder that words couldn't ever contain. This is what we've been waiting for. At the dawn of forevermore, we can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we've been waiting for. At the dawn of forevermore, we can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we knew we would find, leaving all of our doubts behind. We can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we've been waiting for.
God knows what is best for each one of us. For you, Angelina, giving you Kenmark, and for you, Kenmark, giving you Angelina. Ang tanging hangarin ng Diyos ay ang maging masaya tayo. The joy that comes from above is a joy that no one can take away from our hearts because it is a joy coming from God.
I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still. Beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take.
Kenmark, masalain ka ba na maging may bahay si Angelina na narito ngayon na lisunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan? Opo, Father. Buong puso bang pagkakaloob mo sa kanyang yung sarili bilang kanyang asawa? Opo, Father. At nakalang ka bang balikatin sa piling niyang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa? Opo, Father.
I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. One step closer.
Angelina, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Kenmark na naririto ngayon na lisunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso bang pagkakaloob mo sa kanyang yung sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
At nakalang ka pang balikatin sa piling niyang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.